Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner's guide to ChatGPT, where we explore hidden features and clever hacks that can make your experience 10 times better. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or someone who just wants to get more done, this video is packed with practical tips that will change how you use ChatGPT forever. Let's kick off with one of the most underrated tools, custom instructions. Inside your ChatGPT settings, there's a section where you can set how ChatGPT should respond to you. Want it to be formal or funny? Want it to keep responses short or super detailed? You can set that once, and every future conversation feels more personal. It's like training your own AI assistant without writing any code. Next up, let's talk about prompts, the questions or instructions you give ChatGPT. The way you phrase your prompts makes a massive difference. Instead of just saying, "Tell me about time management," try something like, "Give me 5 time management tips that are practical for a college student," listed in bullet points. You can also ask ChatGPT to play a role. Say, "Pretend you're a motivational speaker and encourage me to finish my homework." It shifts the tone completely and makes the interaction way more engaging. One amazing trick is using ChatGPT to simulate real-life scenarios. Want to prepare for a job interview? Ask it to act as the interviewer. Want to practice a language? Ask it to quiz you in Spanish or French. You can also say, "You're my personal fitness coach." Create a weekly workout plan based on bodyweight exercises. This role-playing approach turns ChatGPT into a powerful personal trainer, teacher, coach, or advisor. If you're on ChatGPT+, there's a hidden power you probably didn't know about: memory. When turned on, ChatGPT remembers important details you've shared in past chats. So if you're a content creator and you told it your YouTube channel is about tech tutorials, it'll start tailoring future ideas and scripts around that niche. If it ever feels off, you can view and manage what it remembers from your settings. Now let's talk productivity. ChatGPT is amazing for brainstorming ideas, drafting outlines, and even debugging code. Want a YouTube script idea? Just ask, "Outline a video script on how to stay focused while studying." Need help writing an Instagram caption? Say, "Give me 5 catchy captions for a productivity reel." It's not just a chatbot. It's a content engine. And here's where things get wild: plugins. If you have ChatGPT+, you can enable plugins and suddenly your AI assistant can do even more. Need to search the internet? Use the browser plugin. Want to summarize a PDF? There's a plugin for that too. You can also get real-time data, book flights, or analyze your documents with just a prompt. ChatGPT can now even understand images. You can upload a photo of a graph, a chart, a messy handwritten note, or a math problem, and it can help explain it or answer questions about it. This is incredibly useful for students, teachers, and anyone who thinks visually. Now let's talk formatting. When creating content or preparing messages, you can tell ChatGPT how to format your response. Want bold titles, bullet points, or even markdown for blog posts? Just say it. You can also say things like, "Format this for LinkedIn," or "Make this look like a tweet thread." And yes, you can add or remove emojis too. Another huge time saver: summarizing and extracting information. Paste long emails, reports, or articles into ChatGPT and say, "Summarize this in 3 sentences." You can also ask, "What are the key takeaways?" or "Give me action items from this text." It turns long walls of text into clear, useful information in seconds. Finally, use templates. Think of prompts like tools. Save your best ones in a Notes app or Google Doc so you can use them again and again. For example, "Make this more polite," "Turn this into a blog post," or "Summarize this in bullet points." Over time, you'll build a personal library of AI tools that fit your workflow perfectly. And one last pro tip: if you don't like a response, just click Regenerate. You're not stuck with the first draft. Try rewording your prompt slightly or asking for a different style. That's it for today's guide on how to unlock ChatGPT's hidden features and hacks. If you found something new or helpful, go ahead and try it out right away. You'll be surprised how much more you can do with just a few simple tweaks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with AI.
Imagine waking up to a world where your phone predicts your thoughts, your car drives itself, and your fridge orders your groceries. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's happening right now. AI is transforming everyday life in ways you won't believe. Stay tuned. Let's start with something you use every day, your smartphone. AI powers predictive text, voice recognition, and smart assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. That's why your phone suggests words before you even type them. Creepy? Maybe. Convenient? Definitely. But AI isn't just in your pocket. It's on the roads too. Ever heard of self-driving cars? AI helps vehicles navigate traffic, avoid obstacles, and even park themselves. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are making AI-powered transportation a reality. Soon, you might not even need a driver's license. And here's something crazy. AI even knows your shopping habits. Ever noticed how online stores seem to know exactly what you want? AI analyzes your browsing history and suggests products tailored to your taste. Those recommended for you items. That's AI working behind the scenes. Now, let's talk about something life-changing: AI in healthcare. Doctors use AI to detect diseases early, analyze medical images, and even assist in surgeries. With AI, treatments are becoming more precise, and lives are being saved every day. Students, listen up. AI-powered tutors like ChatGPT and Duolingo are making learning easier than ever. Personalized learning platforms adapt to your pace, making education more engaging and effective. And this is just the beginning. AI is evolving every day, shaping industries, automating jobs, and even creating art. But will AI replace humans, or will it enhance our lives? That's the big question. What do you think about AI's impact on everyday life? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content.
Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept for the future. It's not something coming next year or in the next decade. It's already here, and it's moving faster than anyone expected. From self-driving trucks to AI writing tools, to robotic assistants in hospitals, AI is transforming the workplace. And not just in factories or tech companies, but everywhere. Let's be clear, this isn't just about low-skill jobs anymore. We're seeing lawyers use AI to draft legal documents. We're seeing doctors rely on AI to detect diseases. Writers, editors, customer service reps, marketers, analysts. AI is stepping into roles once thought safe. A recent global report suggests that by 2030, over 800 million jobs could be lost to automation and AI. That's not science fiction. That's a global shift. So what does that mean for you? It means we can't afford to ignore what's coming. If you're working a job that's repetitive, rules-based, or easily automated, AI is learning how to do it better and faster. But here's the twist. AI isn't just a threat, it's also the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. Yes, jobs will disappear. But new jobs will also emerge, jobs that didn't even exist a few years ago. AI trainers, prompt engineers, automation consultants, AI ethicists. These are real roles being created today. So, what can you do right now? First, embrace the change. Don't resist it. The people who adapt quickly will thrive. Second, learn to use AI tools. If AI is writing content, learn how to guide it. If AI is analyzing data, learn how to interpret and act on those insights. Become the human mind behind the machine. Third, develop skills AI can't replicate easily, like creativity, leadership, empathy, storytelling, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. And finally, keep learning. Take online courses, follow tech trends, read, experiment, build. The worst thing you can do is stand still. Remember this: AI won't replace all jobs. but people who use AI will replace people who don't. This is your wake-up call, not to panic, but to prepare. Not to fear the future, but to build it. So ask yourself, are you upgrading or waiting? Because the future doesn't wait. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword or a futuristic dream. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming the world of business in ways we could barely imagine a decade ago. From automating tasks to making data-driven decisions in real time, AI is quickly becoming the engine behind today's smartest companies. But what exactly does that mean for businesses big and small? And where is this all heading? Let's explore how AI is shaping business today and what the future might look like in an AI-powered world. At its core, AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machines or systems that can mimic human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even making decisions. In the business world, AI takes on many forms. It could be a chatbot answering customer queries, an algorithm predicting the next big market trend, or a robot assembling products in a smart factory. One of the most common uses of AI in business today is automation. Tasks that once took hours, or even days, can now be handled in minutes by AI systems. For example, instead of hiring a full team to manually input data, AI software can extract, process, and organize it instantly. This not only saves time but also reduces human error. Another powerful use of AI is in predictive analytics. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and trends that humans might miss. This is particularly useful in industries like finance, marketing, and retail. Businesses can forecast demand, optimize pricing, and even anticipate customer behavior. Customer service is another area that's been revolutionized by AI. Chatbots and virtual assistants are now handling thousands of customer interactions daily, answering questions, processing returns, and guiding users through websites, all without human involvement. And they're getting smarter with each interaction. Now, let's take a look at some real-life examples. Amazon, the global e-commerce giant, uses AI throughout its operations. From personalized product recommendations to smart inventory management and automated warehousing with robots, AI is at the heart of Amazon's efficiency. Netflix relies heavily on AI to analyze user preferences and viewing habits. The platform suggests content based on what you've watched and enjoyed, increasing user satisfaction and engagement. Tesla takes AI to the roads. Its self-driving technology is powered by AI that constantly learns from billions of miles of driving data, helping vehicles make split-second decisions to ensure safety and efficiency. Even the beverage industry has embraced AI. Coca-Cola uses AI for marketing campaigns, social media monitoring, and even flavor development. By analyzing consumer feedback and trends, they can create new drinks that match changing tastes. Small businesses are also jumping in. AI tools now help with email marketing, social media scheduling, customer segmentation, and even copywriting. These tools allow small companies to compete on a more level playing field. So, what are the main benefits of AI in business? First, efficiency. AI completes tasks faster than humans ever could. Second, accuracy. With less human error, businesses make more reliable decisions. Third, cost savings. Automation reduces the need for large teams to handle repetitive work. Fourth, scalability. AI helps businesses grow without needing to dramatically increase their workforce. And fifth, personalization. Businesses can tailor products, services, and marketing to individual preferences, creating better customer experiences. Now, let's shift gears and look at what the future holds. In the coming years, we'll likely see AI-powered decision-making become the norm. Business leaders will rely on real-time AI insights to guide strategy, operations, and customer interactions. Smart factories will become fully autonomous. Machines will communicate with each other, make adjustments on the fly, and even schedule their own maintenance. AI-generated content will dominate the digital world, writing blog posts, generating videos, creating ads, and composing music. Marketing will be ultra-personalized. Ads, emails, and offers will be based on your mood, preferences, and even your facial expressions. AI assistants will become smarter, handling tasks like setting up meetings, analyzing contracts, and coaching employees. The way we work will also change. Human employees will collaborate with AI systems, not compete with them. AI will handle repetitive and analytical tasks, while humans focus on creativity, empathy, and innovation. But with all these exciting possibilities comes serious challenges. One big concern is job displacement. As AI takes over certain tasks, some jobs may disappear. However, new roles will also emerge, especially those involving AI management, training, and ethics. Data privacy is another major issue. AI systems rely on massive amounts of data to function. Businesses must ensure that this data is collected, stored, and used responsibly. Then there's algorithmic bias. If AI is trained on biased data, it can make unfair decisions, whether in hiring, lending, or law enforcement. Transparency and fairness must be built into AI systems from the start. So, what should businesses do to prepare for this future? First, they must embrace change. AI is not a trend, it's a transformation. Companies that ignore it will fall behind. Second, they should invest in training. Employees need to understand how to work with AI tools, not fear them. Third, they must prioritize ethics. Responsible AI is not just good for business, it's essential for society. And finally, businesses should start small but think big. Adopt AI tools gradually, measure the impact, and scale as needed. As we wrap up, here's the big picture. AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to work with us, to enhance our capabilities, improve our decisions, and unlock new opportunities. Businesses that learn to harness the power of AI responsibly will lead the way into the future. The world is changing. Are you ready to change with it?